Today, I'm unboxing the 5.11 Tactical Men's Defender Flex Jeans, designed for comfort, utility, and serious durability.
I picked up 2 pairs in size 38 regular fit to compare. One in medium wash indigo, color code 586, and the other in stone wash indigo, code 648.
Right away, both colors feel great. The medium wash is clean and sharp, great for a casual urban look. The stone wash has a more rugged, lived-in style. You really can't go wrong with either.
These jeans feature 7 functional pockets, including 5.11 signature mag pockets. You've got dual back patch pockets, 2 hip pockets, and deep front hand pockets, perfect for everyday carry.
Speaking of those front pockets, they're deeper than most jeans I've worn. Pocket carry is way more comfortable. Whether it's a phone, a knife, or a small flashlight, it all stays secure without sticking out.
The mag pockets are the standout feature for me. They hold a full-size double-stack magazine securely, but they're also great for multi-tools, compact gear, or even a small power bank.
I also noticed the belt loops, they're wider than the ones on my Levi's. I use a 1.5-inch belt, and there's still room to spare. Perfect if you run thicker belts or gear belts on the regular.
Build quality is top-notch. You've got double needle stitching, bar tacks at high-stress zones, and rivet reinforcements in the hand and coin pockets. These are jeans that are built to last.
Fit-wise, they're relaxed but structured. One thing I noticed, they run a little longer than my Levi's in the same 38 by 32 size. Not a big issue, but good to know before ordering.
Whether you're into tactical gear, etc., or just want jeans with more function, the Defender Flex is definitely worth checking out.
I've dropped links to both color options in the description. Let me know which one you like better, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart gear reviews.